Good morning, everyone. Any questions related to the practice problem? Any questions are welcome. So, I guess there are no questions either. Everyone has understood everything or everyone has not. So, I take it the way that everyone has practiced and everyone has understood the concept we covered yesterday. So, did you see the tutorial file handling which we missed in the session yesterday? You can say a yes or you can unmute and talk with us, whatever is comfortable. You can say a yes in the chat box. Did you all see the file handling tutorial and the practice problem related to, did you do the practice problem related to file handling? Or did you see the tutorial of file handling yesterday? Even if you have not seen, it's okay. You can type a no. So I want responses. So have you seen or you have not seen? So I have got responses saying no to. So is there anyone who has done the file handling tutorial? Even if you have not done, please respond. So I saw only 2 responses and 24 people have joined, excluding me, Rupak and Sushant. There are 21.
Is this Vanita, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, sir. Tell me.
Ma'am, this is Tiwari here from BIT Mesra. Disturbing too much to you people. But it's a great experience, really. You people listen a lot. And that's what a workshop is needed. And very few people have courage to say no if they have not done their homework.
I'm okay if you have not done. We'll just come to know whether you have done or not. I'm just here to take response. I'm not going to judge anyone. I'm not your teacher or anything. You guys are teachers. So
yesterday, actually, Madhu Belur sir's talk was the most exciting for me because it discussed how should things are moving or not.
Yes.
And this year, after so many years, I paid the 25,000 from BIT Mesra account at BIT Mesra campus. Till now, I was there at BIT Noida campus.
Okay.
And it was discontinued almost, but I single-handedly tried and fortunately got that money so that we can we'll be running that again.
Oh, nice, nice.
So one thing I have to say, I don't know whether it's against your policy. If you are ready to listen,
you can go ahead, sir. We'll let you know.
Because you are the team members and you are directly related to Kannan sir. What happened? I did a seminar in June. About 1,100 persons participated, and I managed using 2 persons, one from Delhi, one from me at Lucknow, using WhatsApp groups. And the main thing that was problematic was the certificates. What happens, many local colleges are giving the certificates just like that. They are writing the name, their principal name, their director name. That may be your policy. But organizations like us should have been, maybe they should be listened to, who want only the proper certification by IIT Bombay, when it is just doing the course, not the certification part of it. Because certification comes from your team. Summer, I think it was open just to continue so that it doesn't die out. So that part also should be discussed. The promoters, like whosoever are the state promoters, they are just doing the marketing, but they are not doing the marketing from the core of the heart, I will say. They should tell
you are talking about, sir, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah,
are
please.
You talking about the spoken tutorial certificates?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually the organizations like NITs and all, if they do, they will be just like the introduction part. If somebody do and you are giving the certificate, even that you discuss the policy with sir. I think it should be from your side.
I'll convey it to Professor Kannan and the spoken tutorial team. So we are actually sister projects. So definitely I'll convey it to them. But thanks for your inputs. So Dr. Krupa Mehta, she has gone through the video. It's okay, ma'am. You can practice the problem today. Not an issue, and ask us over the email if you have any doubts. So good, you have done the practice. You have done the tutorial. So any more responses about file handling? Have you people seen, not seen? I again repeat, even if you have not seen, it's okay. I'm not here to judge you. I just want to know how many people have seen and not seen. That's it. Because we missed it yesterday. Okay, no problem. So do we have school teachers here? Is there anyone from CBSE schools? Anyone can unmute and talk to us. You can even put it on the chat that you're from school. So none of the faculty member is from school. Okay, we had few registrations from school. That's why I was asking. Okay, I still see people joining, so I'll repeat again. Is there anyone from schools? Any school teacher who has joined right now? So, anyways, so all are is everyone ready for today's session? Today is the third day. We are going to learn the advanced topic in Scilab. Are you comfortable using Scilab now? Are people comfortable using Scilab? Have you practiced a lot and now you're confident to learn, touch the advanced topics? Anyone can unmute or put it on the chat. So are you excited for today's event, today's agenda? Because we are going to talk about XCOS, which is a Simulink equivalent. If you're using MATLAB, you'll know what is Simulink. So we have 2-3 sessions, spoken tutorial on XCOS, and then we have live sessions on XCOS also. Then we also have something, we'll talk about the toolboxes also today. So all these are gradually we are increasing your learning curve, and all these are a little more advanced topic from what we have learned in 2 days. So are you guys excited? Are you now comfortable using Scilab, and are you ready to use this? Are you ready for these advanced topics? I need response. It's just one-way communication. See, it's becoming, it will be good if you interact with us, so we'll help you more. It will help us make the workshop better, and we'll know what is your background, what is your knowledge. It is beneficial for you only. So
Also,
please
if
respond.
there are any queries regarding graphical user interface that we learned yesterday, if any queries regarding the assignment questions, then you can ask.
Yeah,
If you
people are
didn't
posting.
understand the question.
People are posting in the chat. As in, not the question, just
Yeah.
their
Response.
just their views.
So just to know, how many of you are from electrical engineering? You can just type electrical in the chat box. Okay, I got 2 responses. So I see only 2 responses. We have 34 people, so I think approximately 30 participants. Anyways, so are the concepts which we learned in these 2 days clear to everyone? Because today we are going to a higher level, so we just want to make sure that everything is clear to you. So the XCOS will be through spoken tutorial, so that is according to your pace. And yeah, live session we'll try to reduce the speed. So other concepts, whatever we have covered yesterday, day before yesterday, all good? Okay, got 1 response. So how are you guys feeling? Is the format of the workshop okay? Yes, please practice. So did Miss Purnima Chandrasekhar, you have said GUI needs to be practiced more. So did you practice the practice problem with which Rashmi had assigned yesterday on GUI? Okay, good. So you can practice more, and you'll get comfortable slowly. So how was the invited talk from Mr. Martin? He was all the way from France and from CNES. I want responses from in the chat box. It's just not learning, we have to interact with each other also. You can put it on the chat box. So it seems that there was some background noise, so I just switched to headphones. Yeah. So how was Mr. Martin's talk? How was, as in, could you relate? How was the learning? How was the information? Because these people are from, the industries who are actually using Scilab in their day-to-day work. So we really want to know that how was your take up? What did you take from those talks and how was your response?
Ma'am,
Yes, please go ahead.
yesterday, Mr. Martin told about the prediction of how the moon is looking like in Mumbai. Is it the
Yes.
same you observed in Mumbai or in different one?
Yeah, sir, I did not verify it. Did you verify it?
No, because I'm not in Mumbai, right? That's why.
You're not in Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I did not verify.
Because the way
I'll
he's
just fix
predicting
my
is really
headphones.
exciting.
Yeah. Yeah, I did not verify. I don't even know whether we entered the right values properly or not. So maybe only if we use the toolbox, we'll come to know if we are making use of it properly. But I did not verify. It didn't stuck me. But we can always, it's open source, right? We can always install. Those toolboxes are not just at the disposal of CNS. They are open source and freely available in Scilab. So you can always install these tools and use them.
Could you tell me the name of that toolbox again?
Celeste Lab.
Okay, that space one. Okay, all right.
Celeste Lab.
So we have some time, and I think most of you have not seen the file handling tutorial. So it's just a 10-minute tutorial. I think we can spend some time on seeing that tutorial. What do you say, Rupak?
Yeah, we suggest that, but then it is up to them.
Yeah. So again, more people have joined. So let me ask again. Is there any school teacher? I would really want to talk to someone who's from schools. Please unmute your mic and talk to me if you want. Or you can put it on the chat box.
Does anybody know any other participant who belongs to your school?
So I think they are yet to join. Anyways, so
Yeah, I see
we'll
less
not
than
waste.
40 people. Right?
Yeah. So we'll not waste much time. Those who have joined, please start seeing a spoken tutorial on file handling. And when more people join, we'll switch to the agenda for today. Okay. So let's get started. You start with seeing spoken tutorial on file handling. So I see maximum people coming in. So still people are coming. So I think let's start for the day. So first agenda for the day today is to see the spoken tutorial on XCOS. So XCOS is Simulink equivalent. If you're using MATLAB, you will know what Simulink is. So XCOS is also a graphical interface for Scilab, and it is equivalent to Simulink. So whatever maximum you can do in Simulink, same thing you can do in XCOS. So just start seeing the tutorial to introduction to XCOS, the spoken tutorial on the introduction to XCOS, and then you have to solve the practice problem related to it. So Rupa, you can share your screen and display what tutorial they have to see. Thank you. And I repeat, any questions related to spoken tutorial?
Yes, Vinita.
Please put it on the forums, on spoken tutorial forums, and you can answer the forums also if you already know questions to some answers. So if you know answers to some questions, you can also help us answer the questions. So please ask your questions on the forums as well. Thank you.
Vinita, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
So we have uploaded this practice problem on the drive, which is already shared with you. Rashmi has pinged it on the chat also, the link of the drive. Thank you.